Okay, so welcome to another Friday 5. Today I was going to do the left, what's it called, sway bar or yeah, sway bar bushing. I ruined my tool, as you'll see here, and yeah, so I need to get a new tool. But also alternative job today, so we're going to adjust the handbrake, because on the trip with Eric, the last trip, I had it in lifted mode. I got a flex, and then I put the handbrake on, and then it started to squeal like, yeah, you know the noise. If you haven't seen this video, check it out. Noob. So that's what I'm going to do today. Find the screw, adjust it, release the tensioner on top, and then yeah, do that on back side, both sides. And I think that's gonna be it for today. But yeah, let's see if we can move it, and it hasn't rusted in the past 2 years. Okay, so found it. So the idea here is to have 60 newtons on the torque wrench after you tension it. I get the torque up to 60, 45 to 60 in between there. Then do 8 clicks back on the adjuster. And on this side is from the rear down and up. So you can find it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we need to find the torque screw up here, I think. Yep. Or Allen key. Okay, I got my Allen key, and then just a rubber mallet. So basically you do half a turn to release it, then tap it so it can expand. It's basically a spacer which goes in between, so it releases the tension, so the brake shoes goes outwards on the other side. Other side from the side which we have already screwed. So yeah, we have screwed it away from like that, and then when we release the tensioner up top, it goes up on the top as well, getting a good fit inside there. So that's the theory at least. Okay, so half turn back. Like so. So on this side is, I think the tensioner is on top on this side, if I can remember correctly. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so up and down, close to it, I think, all the way. If it's smooth now, yeah, so on the right hand side, up and down, close to this, and down and up. Tension it up. So let's tension this up on the. Let's tension this up all the way to 60 newtons. If your brakes are really old, you maybe cannot move it like I couldn't on the old before I changed out and did a did a refurbish or replace everything. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. Up and down. Or down and up, maybe down. Yeah. Fix it. So we have 6 newtons. Now let's do 8 clicks back on the tensioner. So up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's moving fine. Okay, let's find the Allen key or Allen bolt. There it is. Half a turn, rubber mallet, then half turn back. 6 newtons to tension it up, but yeah, probably do it by. Okay, so let's see here. Half a turn. So, and half a turn back. Like so. Let's check it turning. Yeah, turning nicely. And done. So do that on both sides and it should be good. If you have new pads or new discount pads, you need to do the bedding sequence, but since they are already used, you don't have to. So now just adjust it because I have the squealing. So if you do this every time you change the tires, it should be really good. So I haven't done this when I change the tires, and that's the reason why I got the squeal, because I haven't serviced as I said I was going to do. Yeah, but now it's done, so that's fixed. Just need the right tool to fix the lower, or the what's it called, roll bar? The roll bar bushing, I think. The bar that goes through the whole car from each side of the suspension. On the left hand side, that's what I need to fix. Check over all the lights and yeah, everything that should be okay for the MOT. And I'm done. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I probably need to test it when the wheels are off. So let's see. Hopefully no squeal. No squeal. So yeah, as I said, we were off on the trail, me and Erik, on the last trip, and off camber, really low. So I didn't notice. I used the handbrake all the trip, but when I got a lift on the rear and the wheel went all the way down, I think you get extra stretch in the wires, which means it pulls even further, and then it pulls too far in the mechanism inside the EPB module. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put back the wheels, and yeah, so I need a tool for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna fix the rest. So yeah, well, thank you for watching this video about servicing your handbrake or your rear, yeah, handbrake or EPB if you like. So easy job when you have the wheels off. Also going to do a service on the brakes, that's coming later. But for now, I will see you in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, as always. See ya.
Oh, yes, bottoming out on the snow.